What's going on, guys? My name is Ty with SKing.com. Hit you with another update review of Cutter Backyard Bug Control. People ask me questions about it, so this video I'm gonna answer the questions and give updates. Does the stuff still works? Does it keep mosquitoes out? How good is it? Yada yada yada. So let's go for point number one. Somebody asked me, can you use this on vegetables and stuff like that? No, I wouldn't use this. Nothing but grass, bushes, trees in your home. Like put on your steps around your home. Don't put this stuff near vegetation, nor food. Okay, so how long does this stuff last? So the sticker says here up to 12 weeks. Now, if you go to Amazon.com, it will say the description of this product. I have a link below the video, but it says control up to 4 weeks, even when it rains. See, even when it rains, it's gonna last up to 4 weeks. So it may last 12 weeks. I haven't tested that. I put this down once a month. Once a month, you're good to go. Okay. Does it work? Does it kill mosquitoes, fleas, and ticks and other bugs? Yes. I've seen a big reduction in mosquitoes in my yard. Now, it's not going to kill them 100% because you have neighbors, you have, other factors that doesn't help neither. But be in front of me. But yeah, this stuff here will. I see the big reduction in mosquitoes. I'm talking about. If I had to put a percentage, I could say about a 80% drop in mosquitoes in my yard. I'm talking about I just come up here all the time, every day, and get bit at least once. Now, I don't want to get bit at all. It won't prevent it all the way. I get bit here and there, but nowhere near the level. I was getting bit through my clothes. They'll bite me on my head. They'll bite me through my clothes. I'll cut the grass. I'll get bitten. So they bite me all the time. So now I might get bit maybe 3 times during the summer. Usually, if I don't have this stuff down, I get bit in a week 7 to 8 times. I'm talking about multiple bites all the time. So again, on the Amazon site, I have a link below the video for Amazon. It only controls up to 4 weeks, and it said it lasts 12 weeks. It may last 12 weeks. I don't know. I put this down once a month. After I cut the grass, I put it down. It's easy to put down. I'll show you how to do it. And also I'm gonna show you a trick where I use this product here and I use another product for my home. So I spray it on my home. So I'm gonna show you how to use this real quick. So I'll put this here. All right. So here's your water hose. All you have to do, it comes like this. It comes in with a little yellow tab. Take the tab out. Put this here, screw it in. You pull the lever back and it sprays. I'm gonna cut the water on real quick and show you how it looks. Give me 1 second. All right, so turn on the water. Now I'm gonna show you how this spreads out. So all you have to do is pull this handle. You go around your house spraying the grass. You see how wide this thing is? I look at this wide spread. You cover a lot of ground very easy with this stuff here. So spray here. See, handle cuts it off. Okay, so it covers a wide area. As you can see, it covers a wide area. You could do your whole backyard in no time. Wood, trees, bushes, anywhere that's dark, anywhere that's warm, anywhere it's cool, where mosquitoes hang at all the time. So I pull this back and do a spray. Very easy to do. Really easy to use. I said I put this down. Just be careful because this thing tends to slide some, and then water might come out. Just make sure it's tight. I put this down once a month. After I cut the grass, I go ahead and put this down everywhere. Trees, bushes, all the grass. I shoot my neighbor's yard a little bit too to get a little extra oomph in it. So yeah, it definitely worked. I like it. It's easy to use. I use this for the backyard and front yard. I use this for the fleas and ticks and ants too, because ants. And I'm back here. Let's say you might still get bitten, but it's a big dramatic drop. I'm talking about 80% drop. I'll get bitten through my clothes, the pants. I mean, all this stuff. Now, I might get bitten here or there, if that. I got bit maybe once this summer, but it was already this month of July. I got bit one time, you know. Yeah, so I'll take that. This bottle is usually $10 on Amazon. You can get it at Lowe's, Home Depot, in the garden department. Like I said, you pull this cover back. Anyone can use it. You pull this back, and it covers a wide area. A wide area. And my thing is, instead of paying someone to kill you mosquitoes, you can spend $10, get your water hose, and spray. Look how easy this is. It covers a wide area. I mean, it's a big area. And you can kill the mosquitoes and ants yourself. It works. You can smell it too. It works. It will reduce mosquito. It won't eliminate it all the way, because the mosquitoes come from every direction. Your neighbors, your people behind you, people beside you, in front of you. They might have standing water, so they'll breed right next to your door. So it's not going to kill them all the way, but it will reduce it a big number. I'm talking about 80%. Okay. So I have this below the video. I did a review about this last year. Update review, showing how to use it. It does pretty well. I would suggest you get a 100-foot hose. Yeah, a big house, 100-foot hose. Hook it up here, spray it. And my neighbor across the street asked me what I put down for my mosquitoes. I said, well, look, this bottle's $10. She's an older lady. I said, this bottle is $10. You could do it yourself if you like. You know, hook it to your hose, and you can spray all your grass, all your trees, your bushes, your backyard. But they're mainly in the backyard versus the front yard. They're mainly hiding in the backyard because they can't come out. Mosquitoes don't be out when it's super hot outside. So do it when it's super hot outside, and you can just kill them and they won't come back. Just put it down once a month. It may last 12 weeks, but on Amazon it's up to 4 weeks, because I agree to 4 weeks. And I believe it's rainproof. So even when it rains, it will still stay down. It will still keep it controlled. But that's how easy this stuff is. So that's the end of my video. Please, my next video I will show you what I use on my house. So this stuff here I use for my backyard and kill mosquitoes. My next thing I use is for pretty much spraying my house, my foundation, my steps, my windows, my doors, to keep bugs out. This stuff here is for the backyard. It's cheaper. My other stuff I got is a little bit more expensive, and you can use that stuff I got also, but it's easier just to use this to kill all this stuff once a month. Easier to hook up versus my other stuff. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.